Try to this is a water ride. Now let's look at your right hand side. Under the stairs, you can see there is a crocodile. It is aiming on us. So please don't put your hands on and elbow outside the box because it is very dangerous. And on the
We're
right
here.
hand side, this is the country.
We are here around jungle
Take the rock next to us.
River
Don't
Cruise.
try to put it because there's so many crocodiles under the river. And then the sign to get the rest now, so maybe you need to come back next time. Then
Apa yung susto nga elephant eh, Tanti?
also come back to see the nighttime to country as well. Okay, so we are now at the entrance of the river. It is 4,000 kilometers long, but don't worry, I know there's a shortcut here. You can see this is Mother Elephant.
Here in jungle River
She
Cruise.
can freeze on the water. It is so huge, right? Find it, baby, anytime you can do it. Just squeeze it like this. Just squeeze it in this way. And then on your right hand side, this is Mother Elephant. You can see there are so many wrinkles on his skin because he loves taking shower a lot. So if you don't want too many wrinkles on your skin, just don't shower too much. Wait. Hold on. This is Mother Elephant. He's not in a good mood today because we are disturbing him. Sorry, Mother Elephant. Don't squeeze on us. Sorry for bothering. Sorry, okay. So we are now at the ancient temple. On your left hand side, this is the biggest spider in the world. And then you can jump over 20 meters away from the net. There is also fountain here, 3 on your left, and then the final one on your right hand side. In front of us is elephant gun. There are 2 king cobras, the guardians of the elephant gun. They are good at hearing and also poisonous, so please don't get their attention. You can see it is looking at okay. Can you see what's on the ground? Crocodiles, right? They love eating child a lot. And these fishes also love elephant ketchup and also wasabi on their food. You can see they opening their mouth. They look so hungry. Yeah, okay? So we are now at the professor border and also Jane campsite, but same time they forgot to lock their door. And as you can see there are so many gorillas came into the campsite. They are sleeping, swinging, throwing their head, checking with the pants, and they also know how to shoot the gun. Okay, wait, don't name on that, sorry. So we are now at the safari. Can you name the animals in front of us? So you can see zebra, giraffe, and elephant. Then, yeah, and giraffe. So do you know the difference between the male and also the female zebra? You can just look at their skin pattern. So let me tell you. On your left hand side, these 2 are the female. They're in the black stripe, and then on your right hand side, these 3 are the male. They're in the white stripe. Okay? You can just look from their nose, and you will know which one is a female and then which one is a male. Okay?
Giraffe, elephant.
And then this elephant is the second field animal in the forest. So what about the most field animals here?
My God, Auntie!
It is simple. They look so huge, right?
Hippopotamus.
Can you smell something so sticky?
Nakulat ako doon.
So remember to brush your teeth every day, okay? And then these 5 explorers didn't listen to me and jump out of the boat. Now it is followed by the rhino and then chased by the hyenas. Shall we help them? Shall we help these guys, guys? Probably not this time. So let's say goodbye to them. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, everyone, please keep quiet. We are not at the headhunter territory. Let me check. They're not here now, but wait. You can find my friends here. This is Peter, and this is Mary. I don't want to be the next one, so everyone please keep quiet. Can you hear something?
Yeah.
But there's no one here except us.
Really?
Wait, they found us. They're running. What? They're aiming on us. So let's raise up your right hand, raise up your right hand, and hit with your head and then motion that. If yes, please go back to them because we cannot keep it, okay? And then you can see there's a phone target there, so it should be the way going back to the door. Just go straight, maybe a little bit left, okay? Okay, just go back to the door. Wait, this person is on the side, everyone be careful. the boat. Okay?
Okay.
So, please also remain seated until you are told to do so. Watch out your young children and then bring all of your personal belongings here. Don't leave any of your belongings to me because I cannot keep it. Later, you may also use the front door or the back door to leave. Don't cross the window or else I need to send you back to the
Okay,
forest.
bye everyone.
And then later, okay.